In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact in Bluebeam. Redaction is the process of permanently removing sensitive information from a PDF so it can't be revealed later. Unlike simply covering text with a shape, a proper redaction deletes the underlying content. That's why it's important to use the right tool and to move carefully through your document. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once your file is on screen, you're ready to access the redaction tools. In the top menu, go to Tools, then Redaction, and choose Mark for Redaction. When this tool is active, your cursor is set up to create redaction marks. Think of these marks as clear visual placeholders that show exactly what will be removed once you complete the redaction process. Now click and drag over the text or area you want to redact. If you're targeting text, drag across the words you need to remove. If you're covering a graphic, a signature block, or an image, draw a box around that region. As you drag, you'll see a highlighted outline appear indicating the selected area. Before you move on, take a moment to refine the selection if needed. You can adjust the edges of your box by grabbing the handles so the mark is tight and precise around the content. A quick tip here, zoom in on small text to place your mark accurately and pan across the page to keep your selections neat. You can also undo a mark right away if you make a mistake, then try again with a cleaner drag. Repeat this process for any additional areas that need to be hidden. Work methodically through the document, page by page, and pause on sections that often contain sensitive details like headers, footers, tables, or image captions. When you place multiple marks, you'll see them build up across the file, giving you a clear visual checklist of everything you've identified. Take your time. Redaction is only effective if you catch every instance of the information you want to remove. As you review your marks, look for consistency. If you've redacted a certain type of information on one page, make sure you've done the same everywhere else it appears. The goal is to leave no trace of the sensitive content while keeping the rest of the document readable and professional. That's all there is to marking for redaction in Bluebeam Revu. Open your PDF, go to Tools, Redaction, Mark for Redaction, click and drag over what needs to go, and repeat wherever necessary. With careful selection and a thorough scan, you'll be set up for a clean, secure result.